Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at a skincare item that's been generating curiosity and confusion online. Evil Goods Whipped Beef Tallow Honey Balm. Is this rich, natural sounding moisturizer a hidden gem or just marketing hype? This product is a whipped beef tallow and honey balm designed for all skin types. It's marketed as a natural ultra hydrating moisturizer with a smooth, non-greasy texture. On Amazon, it has a 3.8-star rating from 35 reviews, with just over half giving it 5 stars. One detailed reviewer on Amazon described being pleasantly surprised. They said the product had no scent, felt cold and smooth on the face, and left their skin soft, hydrated, and with a natural glow. After 2 weeks, they noticed improvements in their skin's texture and oil balance without any allergic reactions. They recommend using it alongside sunscreen and mention it works well even under makeup. However, the container is small and there's no strong fragrance or luxury feel, so if you're expecting a spa experience, this might not be it. Meanwhile, Reddit feedback is mixed. Some users are skeptical of the brand's different listings and inconsistent packaging, which raises a few questions about trust and transparency. So, is Evil Goods with Beef Tallow legit? Based on early user experiences, the product does work for hydration and smoothness, especially if you're into natural minimalist skincare. But with limited brand visibility, small packaging, and only average rating, it's fair to approach with cautious optimism. If you're curious, start with one gel like the reviewer suggested and see how your skin reacts before investing more. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on personal opinion, public user feedback, and product information available as of 2025. And that's it for today's review. Have you tried tallow-based skincare product before? Drop your experience in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews.